Edging a little closer to the librarian, I said, "What kind of ghost stories do people tell about the Harper House?" "It's all in the clipping," she said, a bit impatiently, flicking her fingernail at the article which Michael was still reading. "But if I remember correctly, people claim the child's ghost haunts the graveyard in the pond." A frown crossed her face. "They actually believe the poor girl is responsible for some of the drownings in the pond. But you know how people are. They're always looking for some sort of supernatural cause for the simplest things."
Let's count the commas. How many commas do you see there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Did you count an apostrophe as a comma?
Oh, no.
Try it again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I already count that one?
Okay, just recap.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What?
You keep counting.
No, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Up.
I already counted that one. 7.
Okay, there's 7 commas. Okay, there's 7 commas. How many apostrophes?
Apostrophes? Those?
Say 1.
1. 2. Yeah, there's 2.
2 apostrophes. Okay.
How many quotations?
Yeah, how many sets of quotation marks?
1 and then 2. So that's a set. 1 and 2.
So there's 4 sets.
Yeah.
A little bit. You know there's 4 sets of quotation marks.
There's 4 sets.
7 commas and 2 apostrophes. Shouldn't that help you when you're studying? Okay, so let's actually use the mark and write it down. Don't do anything with that.
Can I write it?
Write it really fast. Oh, there it is. Please don't do that, Kelly. Okay, so did you say 7 commas?
Yeah. 7 commas. I think it's 2 apostrophes. And then 4 sets of quotation marks.
And 4 sets of quotation marks, right?
Yeah. So that means there are 8 in all.
Yes, it should be, because these numbers right here usually help people when you're taking the quiz. These things usually really help.
It's not on.
Yes, it is. Okay, do we have it? One thing Kellen pointed out, I'm going to put this back. Kellen pointed this out. It was a great question. He said there are quotation marks here, but at the beginning of the sentence there aren't.
Yeah.
So why aren't there quotation marks here? Because they're not supposed to. Ruby.
Because they just have, the person's still talking, so they don't need to do that.
Right, and people have been making that mistake. Does that help a little bit?
Yeah.
I really like the way Kellen asked that question. It's one of those questions that people were probably thinking and they didn't say it out loud. A couple other things. There's 2 commas here, and you can hear it when he talks. It's all in the clipping, she said. She said a bit impatiently, flicking her fingernail in the article which Michael was reading. There's one of those 2 commas. Where is it? there's supposed to be a comma here. Hey,
Yeah.
would you look in your book, Abby? We can keep this video rolling. It's page, isn't this 63? Or is it 83? 86 or 87. Tell me if there's a comma because she said. I think that might be it. It's on the clipping, she said.
Nope, there's not.
No, there's not.
Not?
I thought there was.
It seems like there. Oh, here's the one. It feels like there should be one there, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. But if I remember correctly, people claim the child's ghost. Okay, on the quiz, I have like child or something. It should be child's ghost haunts the graveyard and the pond.
And that's on Friday, right?
That's on Fridays, not tomorrow.